Hi students, in this video I would like to explain exercise 2.5 from 8th class AP and Telangana state boards. This is Madhubabu. Exercise 2.5, first question. The first question is solve the following equations. So here the equation is first one is n by 5 minus 5 by 7 is equals to 2 by 3. Solve means we have to find the variable here n. Now we have to find the value of n. See how it is. First, observe the left hand side, that is LHS, LCM, do LCM. 5 and 7, these are co-primes. So co-prime means there is no common factor other than 1. Then what is the LCM of 5 and 7? The product of 5 and 7, that is 35. So LCM is 35. In this first fraction, the denominator is 5. 5 in LCM 35, 7 times will cancel. 7 into this numerator, that is 7 into n. Minus, here minus is there. And in the second fraction, denominator is 7. In this 7 in LCM 35, how many times will cancel? 5 times. So 5 into the numerator again, that is 5r. So this is the process to do LCM. Is equals to right hand side, you write it as it is 2 by 3. Next to simplify this one, 7 into n, that is 7n, minus 5 5s are 25 by 35, that is equals to 2 by 3. What we have to do now? Using cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means multiply 7n minus 25 by 3 and multiply 2 by 35, that is equals to 3 into 7n minus 25. 3 bracket 7n minus 25 means 3 into 7n minus 25, that is equals to 2 into 35. Next to multiply them, 3 7s are 21n minus 3 25s, that is 75. 2 35s, that value is 70. So 21n minus 75, send that side, then it will be 70 plus 75. 21n is equals to 70 plus 75. How much that is? 70 plus 70, 140, 145. Now n is equals to, it will be 21, send that side, the product will be changed as denominator, so it will be divided 145, that means 145 by 21, which table will cancel. So this is, it is not divisible by 2, both numbers, and 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 5 10, and this is not divisible by 3 also according to the divisibility, so you leave just this one as it is. So n is equals to 145 by 21 as it is. Next, second one, that is x by 3 minus x by 4 is equals to 14. What we have to do? Here the two fractions are there, do LCM. That means 3 and 4. Observe this, the two numbers, they are co-primes, 3 and 4. There is no common factor for 3 and 4 other than 1. So what is the LCM of 3 and 4? Without doing division method, you can calculate, that is product of 3 and 4, that is 3 into 4 12. So 12 is the LCM of 3 and 4. Now in this first fraction the denominator is 3. This 3 in LCM 4 times will cancel, 4 into this numerator x. So 4 into x minus this denominator 4 in LCM 12, 3 times will cancel, 3 into this x, numerator x, that is 3 into x, that is equals to 14. Next, multiply it, 4 into x, that is 4x, minus 3 into x, that is 3x, by 12, that is equals to 14. So denominator 12 sent right hand side, then it will be multiplied by 14. So 4x minus 3x is equals to x. 1x means x by 12 is equals to 14. X is equals to this 12 multiplied by 14 when we sent right hand side. So 14 into 12. So x is equals to 14 12s are 168. Next, third one, that is z by 2 plus z by 3 minus z by 6 is equals to 8. How can we solve? That is, observe LCM, do LCM of the denominators 2, 3, 6. What is the LCM of 2, 3 and 6? Observe these values. 2 is a factor of 6 and 3 is a factor of 6 and 6 is a factor of 6. Among all the factors, 6 is a larger number. So LCM of 2, 3, 6 is 6. Without doing division method, we can calculate like this. So now in the first fraction denominator 2, in the LCM 6, 3 times will cancel. 3 into this numerator. So 3 into z, 3z. Here symbol is plus. And again in the second fraction denominator is 3. This 3 in LCM 6, 2 times will cancel. 2 into this z, that is 2z. Here symbol is minus. And in the third fraction denominator 6, in LCM 6, 1 time will cancel. 1 into z, z, that is equals to 8. Simplify the numerator in left hand side. 3z plus 2z, 5z. 5z minus z, that is equals to 4z by 6 is equals to 8. Now you send 4z is equals to, send 6 that side, then it will multiply by 8. 8 into 6. Don't multiply it, just leave that like that. And now z is equals to, it will divide 8 into 6. So 8 into 6 by 4. 4 table in 8, 2 times cancel. So finally z is equals to 2 6s are 12. So don't multiply here, you can keep like this for every problem. Next, fourth problem, that is 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equals to 11. 2 by 3, this is a mixed fraction, so change into a fraction, that implies 2p by 3 minus p by 5 is equals to 11 3 is 33, 33 plus 2, that is 35 by the denominator 3. So 35 by 3. Next, do LCM of the denominators left hand side. 3 and 5, these are the prime numbers. 3 and 5 are the prime numbers. So LCM of prime numbers is its product. So 3 into 5 is equals to 15. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. The LCM of two prime numbers is its product. So observe this condition and come to the first fraction, denominator is 3. This 3 in LCM 15, 5 times will cancel. 5 into 2p. minus, here symbol is minus is there. 5 in 15, 3 times will cancel, 3 into p, that is equals to 35 by 3. 5 into 2, 10, 10p, minus 3 into p, 3p, by 15 is equals to 35 by 3. 10p minus 3p is 7p by 15 is equals to 35 by 3. So to find p, one calculation I will tell you. Keep p is there, send 15 this side, it will multiply 35, so 35 into 15 by 3 is already there in denominator, 7 is multiplied by p here, send right hand side, then it will divide. So do like this, then it will get easily. In one step only we get answer. This 3 in 15, 5 times will cancel. In 7, in 35, 5 times will cancel. So p is equals to 5 5s 25. Next problem is 9 1 by 4 is equals to y minus 1 1 by 3. These are the mixed fractions. Now you change into fractions. 9 4s are 36 plus 1, 37 by the denominator is 4, 37 by 4 is equals to y minus 1 3s are 3, 3 plus 1 4 by 3. Send 4 by 3 this side, then 37 by 4 is as it is. Send minus 4 by 5 3 left hand side, then it will be plus 4 by 3 is equals to y as it is. Now do LCM. 4 and 3 are co-primes. So the LCM of co-primes is its product. So the product of 4 and 3 is 12. LCM is 12. In the first fraction, the denominator is 4. 4 in 12, 3 times will cancel. So 3 into 37 plus this, in second fraction denominator is 3. 3 in 12, 4 times cancel. 4 into 4. 4 into the denominator 4, that is equals to y. Again simplify it. 337s are 111 plus 4 4s are 16 by 12 is equals to y. That implies y is equals to 111 plus 16, that is 127 by 12. So into 127 in 12, there is no table will cancel, so keep like this only. So finally y is equals to 127 by 12. The next one is sixth one, that is x by 2 minus 4 by 5 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equals to 1 by 5. Observe this all terms. In left hand side, all are the algebraic terms, so it has variable, but the second term is only numerical term. So send right hand side that one. So now it will be x by 2 plus x by 5 plus 3x by 10 is equals to 1 by 5 minus 4 by 5 changes as plus 4 by 5 when we send to right hand side. To get answer easily, send numerical term that side, that's why. Next, observe the denominators to do the LCM. 2 is a factor of 10 and 5 is also divides 10. So 2 is a factor of 10 and 5 is a factor of 10. 10 is a factor of 10. So among all the numbers, 10 is a larger number. So 10 is a LCM of given numbers. So 10 is the LCM. Next, here in the first fraction denominator 2 in 10, 5 times will cancel. 5 into numerator x, that is 5x, plus in the second fraction denominator is 5. 5 in LCM 10, 2 times cancel. 2 into this numerator x, 2x, plus the denominator of the third term is 10. 10 in LCM 10, 1 time will cancel. 1 into 3x, 3x is equals to, here the denominator is same, so LCM also same. Then add numerators. When LCM is same, that means 1 plus 4. Next add it the numerator. 5x plus 2x, 7x, 7x plus 3x, 10x, by 10 is equals to 1 plus 4, that is 5, by 5. This denominator 10 in numerator 10x, 1 time will cancel. In 10, 1 time cancel. This 5, 1 time cancel. So finally x is equals to, x by 1 is equals to x, 1 by 1 is equals to 1. So here x is equals to 1. The next problem is seventh problem, that is x by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equals to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. How can we solve it? Observe these two sides here. Minus 1 by 4 and plus 1 by 2 are the numerical terms. The x by 2 and x by 3 are algebraic terms. So send algebraic terms one side and numerical terms one side. That means x by 2 is there already. Send right x by 3 left hand side, then it will be, this is plus x by 3, now it will be changed as minus x by 3 is equals to, already 1 by 2 is there right hand side. Send minus 1 by 4 to right hand side, then it will be changed as plus 1 by 4. Next do LCM left hand side. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So what is the LCM of prime numbers? Its product. So 2 3s are 6. So in the first term denominator is 2. 2 in 6, then LCM 6. 3 times will cancel. 3 into this numerator, 3 into x, 3x, minus in the second term denominator is 3. 3 in LCM 6, 2 times will cancel. 2 into this numerator x, 2 into x, 2x is equals to, do the LCM of these two numbers. The denominator is 2 and 4. Observe this 2 and 4. 2 is a factor of 4, 4 is a factor of 4. So among these two numbers, largest number is 4. So LCM is 4. 2 in 4, 2 times cancel. 2 into this one, 2 into 1, 2, plus 4 in this 4, the second term denominator is 4. This 4 in LCM 4, 1 time will cancel. 1 into this numerator, 1 into 1, 1. Simplify this one. 3x minus 2x, that is x by 6 is equals to 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 4. X is equals to, send 6 that side, it will multiply 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 into 6. 4 table, 2 table in 4, 2 times will cancel. In 6, 3 times cancel. That is equals to, x is equals to 3 3s are 9 by this 2. So this value is 9 by 2. Next, eighth problem is 2x minus 3 by 3x plus 2 is equals to minus 2 by 3. How can we solve it? By using cross multiplication method. So cross multiplication. So 3 into this numerator, that is 2x minus 3 is equals to, here already minus 2 is there, minus 2 into this denominator 3x plus 2. Simplify it. 3 2s are 6 into x, 6x plus into minus, minus 3 3s are 9 is equals to minus into plus, minus 2 3s are 6x minus into plus, minus 2 2s are 4. So send x values one side, numericals one side. So 6x is already there. Send minus 6x this side, then it will be plus 6x. Already right hand side minus 4 is there. Send minus 9 to right hand side, then it will be plus 9. So 6x plus 6x, that is equals to 12x is equals to minus 4 plus 9, 9 minus 4, that is 5. Then to find x, send 12 that side, it will divide 5. So x is equals to 5 by 12. X is equals to 5 by 12 here. Next problem, ninth problem, that is 8p minus 5 by 7p plus 1 is equals to minus 2 by 4. So how can we solve it? By using cross multiplication method. So cross multiply, that implies this denominator and this side, it will multiply 4 into 8p minus 5 is equals to minus 2 into 7p plus 1. Simplify it. 4 into 8p, 4 8s 32p plus into minus, minus 2, minus into plus, minus 2 7s are 14p, minus into plus, minus 2 1s are 2. Send p times one side, numerical times one side. 32p is already there, 32p plus minus 14 means send this side, then it will be plus 14p is equals to minus 2. This value will be plus 20. 32 plus 14p, that is equals to 46p is equals to 20 minus 2, that is 18. To find the value of p, send 46 that side, it will divide 18. So p is equals to 18 by 46p. Here the both numbers are even numbers, so cancel by 2 table. 2 in 18, 9 times will cancel. In 46, 23 times will cancel. So that implies p is equals to 9 by 23. Next 10th problem is 7y plus 2 by 5 is equals to 6y minus 5 by 11. How can we solve it? By using cross multiplication method. So this 11 into 7y plus 2, 11 into 7y plus 2 is equals to 5 into 6y minus 5. Simplify this one. 11 7s are 77 into y plus 11 2s are 22 is equals to 5 6s are 30 y minus plus into minus, minus 5 5s are 25. Again send y times one side and numerical terms one side. 77y minus 30y plus 30y as changes as minus 30y is equals to, already minus 25 is there, send plus 22 this side, then it will be minus 22. 77 minus 30y, that is 47y is equals to, this value is minus 47. So y is equals to minus 47 by 47. 47 in 47, one time will cancel. So y is equals to, already minus is there, so y is equals to minus 1. The next one is x plus 5 by 6 minus x plus 1 by 9, that is equals to x plus 3 by 4. What we have to do? First simplify left hand side. So observe this 6 and 9. These are not co-primes and these are no, one is a factor of other one. Then what we have to do? Do LCM method by using division method. So take 6 and 9. 2 table will not cancel. Take 3 in both 2 times and 3 times. So 2 table 1 time, 3 as it is, 3 table 1 time and 3 1 time. So the LCM is equals to 3 into 2 into 3. Once leave once, no problem. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So 6 3s are 18. So LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. So in the first fraction, the denominator is 6. 6 in LCM 8, 3 times will cancel. 3 into this numerator, that is 3 into x plus 5. Here symbol is minus. And again, in the second fraction, the denominator is 9. So 9 in LCM 18, 2 times will cancel. So 2 into x plus 1 is equals to x plus 3 by 4. X plus 3 by 4. Right hand side you write as it is. So this simplify it. Left hand side value. 3 into x, that is 3x, plus 3 5s are 15, minus 2 into x, minus 2x, minus into plus, minus 2 into 1, 2, is equals to x plus 3 by 4. Again you simplify by 18. X terms, like terms you add. 3x minus 2x, that is x. Next numbers, 15 minus 2, that is plus 13. 15 minus 2 plus 13 is equals to x plus 3 by 4. X plus 3 by 4. Now the denominators we can cancel it. In 18 4, 2 table will cancel. So in 18, 9 times. In 4, 2 times cancel, 2 table. So 2 will cancel like this. So now it is x plus 13 by 9 is equals to x plus 3 by 2. So using cross multiple now, that is equals to 2 into x plus 13 is equals to 9 into x plus 3. 2 into x, 2x, plus 2 into 13, 26. 9 into x, 9x, plus 9 3 is 27. Send x values one side, numbers one side. Here 2x is already there. Send plus 9x this side, then it will minus 9x is equals to, already 27 right hand side is there. So plus 26 right hand side send, then it will minus 26. Then 2x minus 9x, that is minus 7x is equals to 27 minus 26, 1. That is equals to x is equals to 1 by minus 7. Then it will be, we don't write the minus symbol in the denominator. We should write in numerator only. So finally x is equals to minus 1 by 7. This is the 11th problem. In first question, last problem, that is 12th one, that is 3t plus 1 by 16 minus 2t minus 3 by 7 is equals to t plus 3 by 8 plus 3t minus 1 by 14. Observe the denominators here. 8 is a factor of 16, 7 is a factor of 14. So this term send right hand side and this term send left hand side to get answer easily. So 3t plus 1 by 16, this is plus t plus 3 by 8, so send this side, then it will be minus t plus 3 by 8 is equals to already 3t minus 1 by 14 is right hand side is there, so write as it is 3t minus 1 by 14, send minus 2t minus 3 by 7, then it will be plus 2t minus 3 by 7 this side. Now do LCM left hand side and right hand sides too. So here 16 is a factor of 16, 8 is a factor of 16, so LCM of 16 and 8 is 16. So in the first fraction 16, in the denominator LCM 16, one time will cancel, 1 into 3t plus 1, that is 3t plus 1, 1 into, here minus is there. In the second fraction 8, the denominator 8, in LCM 16 2 times will cancel, so that is 2 into this numerator, that is t plus 3 is equals to, here 14 is a factor of 14, 7 is a factor of 14, so among the two terms the largest number is 14, so LCM is 14. And in the first fraction denominator 14, in LCM 14 one time will cancel, 1 into 3t minus 1, 3t minus 1 plus this 7, then the second fraction denominator 7, in LCM 14 2 times will cancel, 2 into 2t minus 3, that implies, simplify this one, 1 into 3t, 3t plus 1 into 1, 1 minus 2 into t minus 2t minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6 by 16 is equals to 1 into 3t, 3t, 1 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2t, that is 4t, plus into minus 2 3s are 6 by 14. So simplify them, add like terms, 3t minus 2t, 3t minus 2t, that is t, 1 minus 6, simplify this one, 1 minus 6 means minus 5 by 16 is equals to, add like terms, 3t plus 4t, that is 7t, add minus 1 minus 6, that is minus 7 by 14. Next, in denominator 16 14, 2 table will cancel, they are even numbers, so in 16 8 times will cancel, in 14 7 times cancel, 2 table, so write like this, t minus 5 by 8 is equals to, observe this numerators, 7 is common, so take common 7, then it will be, in the first term remaining value t minus, in the second term 7 already common, so one time will cancel, so by 7 by 7, so 7 cancel one time, so t minus 5 by 8 is equals to 1 into tt minus 1, that is t minus 1. So t minus 5 is equals to 8 into t minus 1, simplify them. T minus 5 is equals to 8 into t, 8t, plus into minus, minus 8 ones are 8. So send t's one side, t plus 8t, send this side, then it will be minus 8t. Already minus 8 is there, minus 5 send right hand side, then it will be plus 5. T minus 8t, one is plus, one is minus, t minus 8t will be minus 7t, is equals to minus 8 plus 5, that is equals to minus 3. So minus minus cancel. So t is equals to send 7 that side, so it will divide 3, so that is 3 by 7. If you like this video, like it and share it to your classmates and friends, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.